You ever notice how the second it gets cold outside, everyone turns into a philosopher? Like, summer you're vibing at the beach, winter you're staring out the window wondering if your existence even matters. It's not just you. There's actual science behind why dropping temperatures make us all suddenly feel things. And it starts with something happening inside your brain that you probably don't even realize. Tension build. Here's the thing. Your brain doesn't experience cold the same way it experiences heat. When it's hot, your body's focused on survival, hydration, cooling down, not passing out. But when it gets cold, your brain shifts into a completely different mode. And that shift does something weird to your emotions. Something that explains why winter breakups hit harder, why you overthink more at night, and why that one sad song suddenly feels like it was written specifically about your life. Curiosity loop. So what's actually happening? Two things. First, less sunlight messes with your serotonin levels. That's the chemical that keeps your mood stable. When serotonin drops, you don't just feel sad. You feel reflective. You start asking bigger questions. Why am I here? What's the point? Am I actually happy? Second, cold weather physically slows you down. You're inside more. You're alone with your thoughts more. And here's where it gets interesting. Your brain interprets that slowness as a signal to process emotions you've been ignoring. It's like your mind finally has permission to feel everything you buried during busy, sunny days. Pattern interrupt. But wait, there's a third thing no one talks about. Cold air actually changes how your body uses energy. When you're cold, your brain prioritizes deep, complex thinking over quick reactions. You literally become more introspective because your nervous system is trying to conserve warmth by turning inward. Emotional beat. And this is why winter feels so cinematic. You're not just cold, you're emotionally available in a way you weren't 3 months ago. That's why people have those late-night conversations in winter that feel life-changing. That's why you suddenly care about journaling, therapy, self-help books. Your brain is wired to go deeper when the world gets quieter. It's not weakness. It's biology meeting environment. And honestly, it's kind of beautiful. Because those moments of heaviness, those feelings you can't shake, they're your brain telling you to pay attention, to grow, to stop ignoring what matters. Pay off. So the next time you're bundled up, staring at nothing, feeling way too much, don't fight it. That's not sadness. That's clarity trying to break through. Cold weather doesn't make you weak. It makes you real. And the people who lean into that, they're the ones who come out of winter actually knowing themselves. Everyone else is just waiting for summer to distract them again. Closer, if this made you feel seen, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And if you want more psychology that actually makes sense of how you feel, stick around. Because we're just getting started. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, subscribe for more.